the amazingness that is 4th of July. Yay! That's pretty.
I'm afraid it's gonna light off the other one.
Might.
That'd be funny.
That'd be super awesome cool.
It's like mini fireworks. If you sit on the ground, you'll feel like you're at a big one.
I wouldn't sit on the ground.
Yeah, just like these people.
You know I'm recording you. Hi.
Hi.
I'm recording
you.
Touché.
Doggies. Random people. Oh wait, they got sparklers. Did we get sparklers? Hey Bon, did we get
I'm
sparklers?
with friends.
No.
More like family, actually.
It's never 4th of July without sparklers.
No! My speaker thing came off. Now it's gonna be uncomfortable. Do you have an extra
Tiffy,
spare?
tomorrow we need to go get sparklers.
We need to.
No questions asked.
No questions asked at all. We need sparklers.
Desperate.
Ooh, that's pretty.
I got a green thing.
So like green and
There's my mom.
You might wanna.
It's kind of dark.
We didn't get sparklers.
We're in a parking lot.
Sparklers.
I'm gonna cry.
I think this is the first year your whole life that you haven't had sparklers on the 4th
No,
of July.
Tiffany and I are gonna go get sparklers tomorrow, right, Tiffy?
Sure.
Tiffany, need sparklers.
Oh.
Can't live without sparklers.
Gotta have 'em.
They have sparklers. I'm about to go check a sparkler from those guys. Over there. Look at that guy. All waving around the sparklers.
She's like, oh no.
Hey.
Don't knock them over, sweetie.
Oh, I almost lighted off the other one.
A little.
The little. Oh, they're catching on fire.
These little ones are kind of cool.
They're bright.
They've gone
Yeah.
on as just as long as some of the big ones. It's kind of
Whoa.
on.
That one had a little more in it.
No, that one, I put 2 together.
Whoa.
Wah.
That was cool.
I demand sparklers. That guy has 3 sparklers. Come on, that guy's speaking.
Here's the lightning flash.
Hey Rosie.
Huh.
Wave, I'm putting this on my YouTube channel. Asdf Anime Productions.
You better wave because I'm putting this on mine.
Hey, you're right. I should show myself. Hi.
Oh, I said wave at mine, not yours.
Oh, hi. Yeah. Awkward moment.
How they are. You nervous there, Hope? No. Maybe not.
Glad I got the kitty in the garage.
I'm a bit nervous. I'm gonna step away.
She kept on coming over near me
You're lining ours up,
and then
right?
running away.
What?
Yes?
Yep, that's
Sure.
a fun trick.
So glad.
Sure.
Oh my god, that's bright.
I'm letting him up.
Wow. It's like a...
Oh my god.
Ah,
It's like a
I
Oh,
don't like it.
it's like a strobe light.
We're gonna die.
Dancing.
That is awesome! We have to do like
I want to do a
5 at
strobe light
time.
dance, but I won't because it went away.
I can light one of these off.
Look at
Can
this guy.
only
He's got, like,
dream.
sparklers. He's
Hey,
like,
I told you.
He's like, I'm so cool with my sparklers.
Ever.
Awesome people's fireworks. Oh, and the max is coming by. That's pretty. This is cool. Whoa. It's still going. Wait a minute, people. It's still going.
I did a whole bunch at a time.
And more strobe light fun. Dancing with the strobe
What did I
light.
Oh yeah, I did 4.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. No, it's going away.
There's a lot of smoke coming out of it.
I can't see.
There's smoke screen coming.
Another one of these.
No. Where's my shoe?
That's pretty much it for $10. Yeah. Whatever works, right?
It's not bad. They're bright.
Set it close to those so we can
Well,
do
we
a
got
quick
some with
cleanup.
tube in it. We've got the tube.
Yay. Tube time.
Tube.
Tube. YouTube. Okay, I won't go there.
We're blowing up you, too.
That would be okay. I don't know.
Wow, that's really cool.
I like
It's a
this
mini
one.
version of a big one.
It's our failure version of the huge ones. It's still awesome though. Oh, lots of fireworks. Obviously, I'm out of cosplay.
This one?
Oh, this guy with the sparklers.
So this is our
Tiffy, you
first
should run
pack.
over there and ask if we can have a couple sparklers.
You gonna come with me?
Why do you
I feel weird.
help me up? I'm stuck.
Okay. Ah, no! Well, that's the point. You're supposed to help me get you up. I don't know. Wait. There's another one.
This is the gym one.
Oh!
Ah! It's Green Lantern. Bad joke.
Wow.
Oh,
Whoa! Come on over.
that.
Ah, scared crap out of me.
That one was the best one yet.
Okay, we're almost at the end of our bag, guys.
Just one last thing.
There's another bag.
That's the first sparkler.
Oh, this is
But
Don't make her go ask for sparklers together.
yeah. Let's go ask for
We're
sparklers.
gonna ask for sparklers.
We're gonna ask for sparklers.
We'll be right back.
Because we're awesome. We can do that. I hope. Okay, 1 minute, people. You're gonna have to stare at the ground for a sec. So they don't think I'm recording them.
That guy's got the freaky ones.
Look at my shadow for a minute. Hey, excuse me?
We were wondering if we could have maybe like 3. If it's okay.
That's up to you.
Oh, okay.
the old guy over there.
Yeah, we couldn't find them. Or maybe we... we found everything big.
You probably won't give them up, but you can try.
What?
They want 3 sparklers from you.
Oh, they can have that last box.
Oh, there you go.
Are you sure?
Thank you.
Well, thank you very much.
You can go grab it after you stop mine.
Yeah, I don't want to like get fire. I'm still recording. Just at my foot. Yes, viewers, look at my foot
YouTube.
for a minute.
Now, you don't use them all up at once now, you kids.
We won't. Thank you very much, you guys. Happy 4th of July.
Bye.
Bye.
Little sister, we got
Oh my god.
sparklers.
They gave us their whole pack of sparklers. Look at that. Wait, in the light. That's some cool...
Kindness of people giving us
This
sparklers.
is the kindness of people giving us
Yeah.
sparklers. Those guys.
For 3.
We asked for 3.
They gave us a whole
But
pack.
they gave us a whole pack. Oh my god. Our lucky day. Sparklers! Morning glory.
Do this. They gave us a whole pack.
And this part of the video is over.